myself and I tell them, look, see I'm just chilling now. Wait, try going in and out. Yeah, still trying to figure out how I can get away. But there ain't enough hours in the day and I just carry on and wait. Whatever I'm looking out for me, waiting ready to push the ball out to sea. All aboard everybody, if we worth the wait, we got a roll on the way. Let's go. Yeah, looks like nothing's gonna change.
Called The Men. My name is Dean. I'm Craig. I'm Jay.
I'm Chris. And it's an absolute pleasure to be here to switch the Christmas lights on. It's a pleasure to see beautiful faces out there, and we love the banners. I can see the banners everywhere.
We love all you guys. Oh yeah. This next song though is most probably going to be our single. It's called Where Were You? If you've not heard it, keep watching out. We're going to probably release it February, March, so keep a watch out. This is Where Were You?
Can we see some claps? Can we see some hands?
You done now?
To the left, right, shooting there.
24/7, you'll be there for me. No matter what happened, you would care for me. I look up,
See, I look to the sky, down to the ground, shooting.
where the hell were you? Now my business will change. There's a magic town in your part of town.
We couldn't get through to you. Now,
We're gonna have a good time tonight. Is everybody gonna clap their hands tonight? Is everybody gonna check us out on YouTube tonight? Is everybody gonna go home and have no fun tonight? Yeah, it's a massive pleasure to me. I've got to say, just being here right now means a massive thing to every single one of us in the group. We love every single men fan out there. Oh yeah. Every single one of you, big shout out. You keep us going, seriously, you keep the rainy days away from us, so I've got to say massive thank you. But yeah, absolutely love you all, that's all I can say. Yeah.
This next track, the next track that we're going to do for you is a little exclusive. It's off our album that's coming in the new year. This one is called Lie to Me. I hope you like it.
Lie to Me.
Can we see some
That's it. Watch it. That you want ain't necessarily what you really need. I got nothing but love, but it's never good enough to make you realize spending all of my time trying to
everybody, we want to see you jump into this one.
What you expect me to love? When you lie to me,
I don't know what to believe.
if you promise me, there'll be honesty.
Tell me the truth.
That we can change it, that we can turn it around.
Yeah,
Still got time, baby, you're not too much harder. Don't you lie to me.
Alright, let me see some color.
Change your clothes, but I know it's not me that you change it for. Where'd you go? Have a no. I'm not asking you anymore. Come on, woo! I got nothing but truth, cause it's nothing left to lose. So tell me what is on your mind. You can go and leave, but someone like me ain't gonna be easy.
Everybody, let's go.
How do you expect me to love you? When you lie to me, when you lie to me,
I don't know what to believe.
girl, I do anything for you. If you promise me, there'll be honesty.
Tell me the truth.
Cause I still believe that we can change it, that we can turn it round. I still got time, baby, it's not too much harder. Cause I love you.
Alright, let me break it down.
You lie to me.
Yeah, think I just don't know. Second thing to get now. I don't know. And I don't know how much I can take when I read how much left I can lose. Is it me? Is it you? Is that a lie? Is it true? Cause I don't know what to believe. Well, come on, listen to my eyes. Tell me what do you see? How do you expect me to lie?
When you lie to me, when you lie to me,
I don't know what to believe.
girl, I do anything for you. If you promise me, there'll be honesty.
Tell me the truth.
Cause I still believe that we can change it, that we can turn it round. You still got time, maybe it's not too much harder. Cause I love you, though you lie to me. How do you expect me to love you? When you lie to me, when you lie to me, girl, I do anything for you. If you promise me, there'll be honesty. Cause I still believe that we can change it, that we can turn it round. We still got time, maybe it's not too much harder. Cause I love you, though you lie to me. Wow! We got a big problem here. Oh what? Who wants to know what the problem is?
I think I know what the problem is.
The problem is, right,
This might be.
I think this left-hand side is making bare more noise than the right-hand side. I swear. Whereas the two sides are all the way up there, this side is absolutely going fast.
I'm gonna have to borrow your mic because mine's
What?
because then you got an advantage. Because I think the right hand side's making more.
I agree. Sorry, this is loud back now, right? I think the left-hand side is making way more noise than the right-hand side. Okay.
drop.
Stop.
Yeah?
Stop. Stop that.
Right. Has anybody heard of a show called Britain's Got Talent? Good stuff. Did anybody see us on Britain's Got Talent? Good stuff. Well, the final track that we're going to perform for you is our favourite track that we love to perform. It's our semi-final performance. This one's a mashup between Written in the Stars and Died in Your Arms. If you know it, you don't need to scream.
Get your lighters out.
Let's do this. Yeah, this is well better.
Sorry.
Let me hear you.
Let's go, give me back the mic. I feel so free, I reckon I can fly for real. Maybe I can get back to life. But wait, maybe I can relax tonight. Yeah, cause I feel freer than I've ever been. So free, I can do anything. No one strings attached, and I don't ever wanna bring you back.